Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a subtask, a task in Asana. This is incredibly useful when a smaller piece of work grows in scope and deserves its own place in your project timeline rather than being buried under a parent task. First, go to Asana and open the project that contains the subtask you want to convert. Navigate through your workspace until you find the right project board where this task lives. Once you're there, find and click on the parent task to display its details and subtasks. This will open up a detailed view on the right side of your screen, showing you everything nested under that task. Now locate the subtask you want to make a standalone task in the subtasks section. You'll see all the smaller tasks listed beneath the main task description. This is where the conversion process begins. Hover over the left side of the subtask until your cursor changes to a hand or move icon. You may see 6 tiny dots appear, which is Asana's visual cue that the item can be moved. Click and hold those dots, or simply click and hold the subtask row itself if the dots aren't immediately visible. This action prepares the subtask to be repositioned. The key here is to drag the subtask to the main project task list or section on the left side of the window. As you drag, you'll notice the interface responding to your movement, and you should see a highlighted insertion line appear in the main task list. This line shows you exactly where the task will land once you release it. Release the mouse button when that highlighted insertion line appears in your desired location. The subtask will now appear as a regular task in the project, completely outside its previous parent task. It's no longer tucked away as a nested item, but stands on its own as a full-fledged task with all the capabilities that come with it. Finally, check your project list to confirm the new task is present and editable. You should see it listed among your other tasks, ready to be assigned, scheduled, and managed independently. This simple drag and drop action gives you the flexibility to restructure your work as priorities shift and projects evolve. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.